Hello everyone. So the video that we had planned for today is taking a little bit longer to edit than we initially expected. It was a bit more of an ambitious project. So rather than that, I'm gonna just do a quick little run through of what gear we've been using to actually film these. So let me go over to the mirror here. Our main camera here is Fujifilm X-T30, which this nice little thing. We have the Rode Video Micro that we've been using as our main audio source. I have a little handle here that I got on Amazon. It's meant for the X-T20. But it obviously fits on the X-T30 because it's the same shape, which is awesome. The ND filter is just a basic, what is it? It's the K&F Concept. I actually tested a bunch of these, and this I felt was the best value. I mean, there are other videos. I can link to a couple others that go over this in much more depth than I'm willing to do. But I feel for my purposes, this works fine. The red thing here, this is the Alter RFS. Basically, it's a little adapter. So you put your filter on the adapter, and then I also have, you can't really see it here, but there's a step down ring or step up ring, I forget which. It goes from the 58 millimeter of this lens, which actually is the Fuji 18-55 f2.8 to 4, which I believe I've mentioned in a previous video is probably the best small vlogging lens for Fuji. Anyway, so this lens has a 58 millimeter thread, but I bought the 67 millimeter Alter RFS. They also have models that do the step up for you, which I'm fine without because I have the step up rings. But anyway, the nice thing about this Alter RFS here, it's gonna get really bright. So it swings out like that. Yeah, sorry for the overexposure. I don't wanna mess with it right now, but I'll put it back in a second. So you can see if I'm inside, it gets dark, I can swing it out, go back outside, swing it back, and there it goes, it adjusts. But yeah, this has been excellent. This has been super helpful. Before I would have to like unscrew it, put it in my pocket, and like hope it doesn't get scratched and all that. I actually have dropped one of my filters. I dropped a filter in Hawaii. Or no, sorry, not in Hawaii. I dropped it in Tulum, which is a video that will be coming, which is where we went on kind of our mini moon. Later, when was it? That was almost a year ago. Wow. So obviously I have the Gorillapod. This is the 1K version. All of these links will be down below. I have a kit where all of this, kit link for all of this. So this is our main camera setup for handheld stuff. But then for more lockdown things, a few months ago, I bought actually a Sony a5100. Yes, that is an old camera, but it is still a very good camera, and when it's just on a tripod, like it is here, it is pretty excellent. Here you go. Swing this out so you can get a better view. Yeah, it's pretty excellent. Like the autofocus is really good. The picture quality is really good. And it has an HDMI out, which means that I can use this little Atamos Ninja 2 or Ninja Star, whatever it is, to then record pretty much indefinitely. So by indefinitely, I mean I have I have on order a USB dummy battery for here, which I'll plug into a bigger battery pack, and then I also have a dummy battery for the A5100 that will also plug into that single battery pack, which means that I can just have it on this tripod, set up, ready to go whenever I want. I can flip on the camera, start recording here, and then it will run until that big battery pack dies. And for that, I actually have this big old anchor thing. Let's see, how big is this? It's a 26,800 milliamp hour battery. So that is massive. That thing lasted me 4 or 5 days of recharging phones and batteries and all sorts of other stuff when we were backpacking in October of last year. Also another video that will be coming somewhat soon. But yeah, for that, I don't have a mic plugged into that at all times because I've mostly been using that for time lapses and things like that. But for the video that we were supposed to be posting today but didn't get to, or I wasn't able to finish editing it, I have this Tascam DR40X. I haven't used any of the Zoom recorders. It's very similar to those. Basically, it's a stereo audio recorder. It has built-in microphones here, which can be flipped out to do either the XY or AB patterns. And this is, so far, I really like the quality of this with the built-in microphones, but it also has 2 XLR ports, so I can plug in other microphones if needed. And you saw the other video a couple days ago. I had my little head-mounted GoPro setup. That was with the Hero 8 Black. Here you go, Hero 8 Black. I've been using this for snowboarding and stuff as well, and it's excellent. Audio quality is excellent. Video quality is excellent. Stabilization is amazing. I don't really have any complaints about it. Like, what they say about not needing a gimbal, it's pretty much true. Yeah, get it. But yeah, that's basically the setup, and yeah, we'll see you tomorrow with today's video. Oh, sorry, I forgot to mention the lens I have on the Sony is the Sigma 16mm f1.4. Yeah, cheap, excellent lens, really fast autofocus, pairs really nicely with this camera. But yeah, anyway, until next time, it's us against the world.